Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing Hulu TV with YouTube TV and with DirectTV stream. So which one should you pick? This is what we will be trying to find out in this video. Now for your convenience, I have created this table for you. And if you want this table, you can either screenshot it or I will put the link of it down in the description. Here with the starting price, Hulu TV is on $76.99 per month. YouTube TV will cost you $72.99 per month, and Direct TV stream will cost you $74.99 per month. That includes the entertainment package. Now, if we talk about the number of channels, so in the Hulu TV, you will get 90 plus channels. That includes Hulu's on demand library. With YouTube TV you will get 100 plus channels, and these are mixed, meaning that you will get sports channels and some other channels. With direct TV stream you will get 75 to 150 plus, depend on the package. If we talk about the DVR storage, in all three you will get unlimited DVR storage, that too for 9 months. If we talk about the simultaneous streams, then for Hulu it has only two, whereas in YouTube and DirectTV it has three devices. Next we have the sports coverage. So with Hulu you will get strong sports coverage, extensive with YouTube TV, and good with the higher tier packages. Next we have the on demand library. So it is extensive in Hulu, large in YouTube TV, and moderate in direct stream. For local channels, it is comprehensive in Hulu, broad and consistent in YouTube TV, and broad that varies by the package and the location. So YouTube TV is the best choice for you because of its wide channel selection, unlimited DVR, and strong local channel coverage. If you choose Hulu, it is for those who wanted a robust on-demand library with live TV, and direct TV stream is for those because of its various packages that cater to different needs but at higher price point for some channels. So from it actually depends on your personal choice, which one would you prefer. Do let me know in the comment section below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.